Hello there Algarve loves, and welcome back to our channel. And this evening I've got a sneaky little trip into Faro to check out one of the Guinness bars, Pipers, which one of our viewers has said they're coming over next week and what's the Guinness bar like, so I've come to check it out, guys. But just a little heads up, guys, Sue doesn't know I've come to do this. She thinks I'm coming to work, yeah. I've left Sue in the jacuzzi having a sangria, so come check it out with me, guys. So there's a beautiful look at the marina, guys. We've got a big wheel up there in the background. Nice little Italian pizza place there with chill out music. So we're going to make our way, guys, through the back streets to Piper's Guinness bar. Check the Guinness out. So we're going to go down the back streets. Be passing McDonald's, the dreaded McDonald's. It's a beautiful evening here tonight, guys. It's been horrendously hot today, way into the high 30s. This bar is a nice bar, it's double fronted. Frequent that when we come into Faro. The Scammer. Quite a lot of people chilling, eating out. Hamburgeria. There's a chain of them. The burgers they're actually quite nice. Way better than McDonald's, but they're very expensive. The place we're going to is just down there, but I'll just show you a couple of restaurants before we go down there. Got Mini Mercado, selling wines and spirits. It's pretty chill considering it's the height of the season. There's plenty of people in this one. Yep. It's a little busy square, this. Check this out, guys. You okay? Sorry, man. All the waitresses and waiters are friendly. Okay, we'll cut down by the side of the bar, right near the Irish bar, which is back this way. It's next left. So take a left here. I think there's a rock bar and a couple of cute little restaurants here. The rock line, that's a rock bar there. Never actually been in it. You okay? Some cute little restaurants here. Especially this place here. Really cute little place that. Husband and wife that run that. Do lovely food in there. You got this place, happy hour, 2 cocktails, 2 shots, €12. You can't beat that, guys. So we've got Pipers here. This is the Guinness bar. So let's check it out, guys. It's okay? Okay, okay. Can I ask you a question? How much is the Guinness in here? €6, okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
I'm going to try it.
It's
the best. Oh, he's just done it there, okay. Is that yours?
No, it's mine.
Can you do the Guinness challenge? You know what the Guinness challenge is?
Drink.
Where you drink and you have to get it to the in between the Guinness, yeah. You have to split the G.
Cannot do it.
Well, I'm going to do it, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to go and get one, yeah.
No, I cannot do it. They split the G.
Well, you've tried it, or you?
Yeah,
okay.
But I drink a lot, so.
Oh, so you go past the G, yeah. Okay, I'm going to check it out, mate, yeah. So it's okay. I go to the end of the bar here, guys, so I don't get the people on. I'm going to order a Guinness anyway, guys. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Okay. You let it settle for a minute. I'm going to pop outside with it, guys. Let's do the challenge. Let's try and split the G. There we go. You good? Yeah? I'll try and split the G. Yeah?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, miles off. I'm useless. No good. That's well off that, guys, yeah? I'll have to try another one. So I failed miserably there tonight, guys. But let me say, Jerry, it's a lovely pint. So when you come next week, come and check this place out. See you next one, guys. Ciao for now.